Kyambogo University is one of the higher institutions in the country that is offering early childhood education on nursery training for teachers in Uganda from this center. But with the passing of the years, the appearance of the center has left much to be desired for the trainees and their trainers. In 2019, the university received an offer from Indian nationals Aziz and Shenaz Damani, who, together with the Institute for Rural Education and Development, sought to construct for the university a new early child studies center.
The responsibility of EC delivery is largely with the civil society. Therefore, I urge each one of you to provide whatever support you can to help in the development of ECD in Uganda.
Education and sports have been two areas of keen interest to my family, and we have supported various sports such as cricket, volleyball leagues, badminton.
With the works completed this year, the center has now been handed over to Kyambogo University.
As educationalists, we all know and appreciate the importance of a conducive learning environment.
Because according to the National Council for Higher Education, all teacher training institutions at various levels must have a demonstration school where there is hands-on practice for those training.
This center is being developed purposely for training early childhood teachers on hands-on approaches of working with the children, so that this can be replicated all over East Africa.
At this function, Dr. Goretti Nakabugo, the chairperson of the university's council, has reiterated the importance of early childhood education within the larger framework of the country's education system.
But evidence within the context of Uganda, in fact, overwhelmingly shows that children who have at least 2 years of preschool, they are almost 2 times more able to acquire literacy and numeracy skills much easier, much faster.
But Dr. Nakabugo has expressed worry that equitable access to early childhood education in Uganda has been hampered by the high cost of privately owned early childhood development centers. She believes that this can only be resolved if government hastens up its plans of constructing public early education centers in the country.
But actually, when you give ECD or preschool, the gap closes. Children who have preschool, it doesn't matter whether they are from rich families or poor families, actually they can learn at the same pace.
The Ministry of Education has acknowledged this challenge, and while it works on its own plans, officials say that they will increase support to the private players offering early childhood development education in the meantime.
Ministry again has developed a lot of materials to support the provision of quality early childhood care and education, including the learning framework.
Joyce Nakato, NTV Tonight.